talk about preposition of place. Preposition of place. What does mean preposition of place? It means حروف الجر. Look at the diagram here. Look at these pictures and try to tell me where is the ball. Where is the ball here? Look at number 1. Where is the ball here? Where? Is it in, on, behind, under, or above? Number 1. Where is the ball? Yes, it is in. It's in the box. Number 2. Where is the ball here? Where is it? Is it in the box or behind the box? Okay, it's on. It's on the box. On the box. What about number 3? Where is the ball here? Is it in front of the box or behind? In front of the box or behind the box? It's behind. Behind. It's behind the box. Look here. Where is it here? Is it in front of or behind or under? In front of, behind, or under? Under. Good. Excellent. Under. It's under the box. The ball is under the box. What about this picture? Where is it here? Where is the ball? Where? Next to or behind? Next to or behind? Yes, next to. It's next to the box. What about this one? Is it on the box or above? On or above? Yes, very good, excellent. It's above. It's above. Above. Here there is a space. The box is here and the ball is here. It's above the box. What about this one? Where is the ball here? It's between. Yes, between the two boxes. Between the two boxes. Ahmed is between Sami and Ramzi. Ahmed is between Sami and Ramzi. What about the last one? What about the last one? Where is the ball here? Is it behind or in front of? Behind? Front of? Yes, it's in front. It's in front of the box. So here these are the adverbs, preposition of place. Now we can say together, this is in, on, behind, under, under. And what about this one? Next to, yes, above. The lamb is above the table. The lamb is above the table. And this one is between. The last one is in front of. In, on, behind, under, next to, above, between, in front of, in, on, behind, under, next to, above, between, in front of.